After all the trauma we'd been through, I finally got some good news. We could start harvesting before I went off to hospital. And we'd begin with the oats. It's slightly weird doing it without Simon, but exciting to be doing it with Kaleb. And especially exciting because Kaleb had bought himself a combine harvester.
Here we go!
The mighty Lamborghini pressed into service once again. No beeping, nonsense we got from the green one. Look at that for one snazzy trailer.
Don't realise how big they are until you sit in one and you drive one down the road and you go, oh, yeah, I actually am bigger than the road nearly. Shit! I'll be tight. Oh, God. Sorry. Maybe I should have gone the other way.